Welcome to Gem Cutting, Topaz Edition. In this video, we'll guide you through the intricate process of cutting 7 pieces of topaz stone. First, we introduce you to the raw topaz pieces. Moving on, we begin the preforming stage, shaping the topaz into rough outlines of their final form. We meticulously weigh each piece to ensure precision throughout the cutting process. With the preforming complete, we carefully mount each stone onto dop sticks, ensuring stability for the upcoming faceting process. Here they are, elegantly poised on their dop sticks, ready to be transformed. Now, we embark on the journey of faceting, where each cut reveals a new dimension of brilliance, and every angle tells a story of transformation and beauty. We periodically check in to show you the progress made in transforming these rough stones into sparkling gems. The faceting continues as we refine each stone, revealing their unique characteristics with every facet added. After hours of skilled work, all 7 topaz stones are now beautifully faceted and gleaming on their dop sticks. We proudly present to you the final cuts of these topaz gems, showcasing their brilliance and precision. Thank you for joining us on this detailed exploration of topaz gem cutting.